Alright guys, so my face is clean and has nothing on it. The only thing I have is probably my lashes, but to be honest, they're kind of falling out. But yeah, I have a lot of redness on my face. My upper lip is pretty red because I just threaded them, so it kind of stings a little bit. So I'm just gonna leave it and not put any foundation just yet. I'm gonna start off with my eyeshadow just so I don't get any like powder on the bottom part of my eyes or on my cheeks. But yeah, I'm gonna start off with that because it is gonna be a lot. So I'm gonna put concealer in my eyes just to really get that blue popping. Just make sure you blend that through. And I'm just gonna put a little bit on the bottom part of my eyes as well, just because it looks really dark and I just want to make my eyes look a little bit brighter. Oh, and the concealer I'm using is the Coulourpop, and you're gonna want to take a blender, beauty blender, and just blend it out so you can like get rid of all the harsh lines. So now I'm gonna take this color right here, just kind of like a neutral color, just to really set the concealer on my eye. Then we're gonna start working from the outer corner, and then we'll do the blue color last because that needs to stand out and that's gonna require concealer. For the outer corner, I'm gonna start off with this color right here, amber. So it's kind of like a dark-ish orange, like an orangey red color. And then I'm gonna take a really darker color. It's kind of like a reddish brown. Go ahead and just blend that in. Just blend that to the bottom part as well. So for the blue part of the shadow, I'm gonna use a concealer. I'm just gonna do it right here where my crease stops at, just so I can have that cut crease effect. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of the concealer and put some on my brush. Just like that. I wish this was a little bit more sharper, but the brush isn't too bad. So I'm just gonna open my eye and see how it like naturally just kind of like climb up there. I'm just gonna do that, follow it. See how it's kind of like uneven, but we're just gonna straighten that out. And I'm gonna use a more precise brush to really make it a little bit more cut. I'm not gonna do too much because my eye pretty much did the work already. So, and then we're gonna go ahead and apply the blue eyeshadow. And for the eyeshadow, I will be using the Blue Moon palette by Coulourpop. I'm gonna use the shade Starry Eyed, and you're gonna have to probably do a few swatches of it just because you want the color to pop in now. It's kind of like an electric blue. Oh my gosh, you guys, my eyes cannot stay still. I'm like the shakiest person when it comes to doing eyes. And to be fair, I really don't have stable hands. I've always been kind of like jittery, so there's no way I could ever be a surgeon one day. Like, I kind of get jealous when I see girls do cut crease and it just looks so perfect. This is why I don't really do cut crease, because I just don't have the ability to create that really straight, smooth line. Mine is kind of raggedy. We're gonna blend through. So just take that, just kind of a little bit on the top. That's how it looks so far. And we're just gonna blend that with a fluffy brush so it doesn't look too harsh. So it's gonna look something like that. And then we're gonna finally take that white eyeliner, and oh my god, I'm kind of scared, but we're gonna do it for the video, right? And you know, I always like to start at the very tip just so we can get that guideline started, so you know where to. And oh my god, look at that! Can you guys see? Because it's kind of messing up on me. Probably gonna have to take a few like swipes over it, because I'm gonna make this white liner a little bit thicker, because we're gonna apply the black one here in just a minute after we apply this. I'm just gonna make sure that's straight, because like I said, we're gonna make this thick. I think it's kind of dry, so we can reapply it and make the white a little bit brighter. Add that other layer in. Okay, so that should be pretty dry, and we're gonna go ahead and use the Coulourpop black eyeliner. So that's how it looks. I know it looks a little bit crooked, but you know, I'm not perfect, but it looks pretty precise to me. I'm not gonna put lashes because I already have some, but I know they're falling out. But my sister she doesn't want me to put fake lashes on it or glue on lashes because it messes up the actual extension itself. So I'm just gonna use a gel liner to fill in like the empty gaps right there, because it looks really awkward, especially like when I look up. So I just fill that in to really make my top eye look darker. Don't do anything in the bottom because it's gonna make my eye very, very dark. And then for the bottom part of my lashes, I am going to just apply a little bit of mascara. So we're just gonna do the eyebrows, and I'm not gonna include that in the video because it really is kind of hard to make the video focus. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do it real quick. Got my eyebrows on. You just do yours however you normally do it, but mine's are pretty thin. And I went ahead and applied the concealer at the bottom. I didn't put any at the top, right where my brow bone is. I'm just gonna apply a little bit of this Lumi from the same palette right here, and just apply it at brow bone area just to give it that shimmer. Oh, just a little bit right here, but really you want it where the brow bone is. Make that thing pop, you know. Oh my god, that is such a pretty color. And right where the inner corner of my eye, I'm gonna apply the same color Lumi and just put it right there. But that's pretty much the look of the eye. I can't even hold my eyes shut like without me having to like jitter. I'm always twitching, so I'm just gonna try to relax and just look that way. This is my other eye, and I finished both of them, but to be honest guys, I feel like this side is better than my left side, just because I think I was able to really focus on this one. So you can tell that like the blue eyeshadow is a little bit more sharp than the other one, but I pretty much got my full face on and got my eyebrows on, so I'm gonna show you guys how the rest is gonna look. So this is pretty much my entire face. I put on foundation, my concealer, and did my contour and all that highlight. The only thing I don't have on is my lipstick, and so for that I'm not gonna use a liquid lipstick. I'm actually gonna use a gloss that has a tint to it, and it's gonna be by Coulourpop, and they sent me this, and this is in the color Roundabout. I was thinking about like applying some like a base color, but I think it'll be okay. We'll see how it works. Oh, it's very pigmented. There you go. And we're gonna apply the wig and see how that looks. But I should have done this. Put like a highlighter at the Cupid's bow. We're gonna go ahead and put on the wig, and I'm not gonna show you guys how to do that because I struggle. Like, I'm new to wigs, so I'm just gonna show you guys the aftermath of all this. So this is the completed look, and as you can tell, I put headband on because I don't have hair glue or wig glue, whatever you want to call it, and the hairline looks really terrible, so I think that's like how I'm gonna wing it. I don't know, what do you guys think? This is the look, guys. And I put some earrings on just to add a little touch, you know what I'm saying? That is it for this makeup tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I know a lot of you guys have been requesting me to do a makeup tutorial, but I've just kind of been hesitant because it really is hard to make a tutorial video, let alone like having to you know, stand still when the camera is like zoomed in all the way, making sure that it's focusing on my eye correctly. Like, that is not easy, but from far away, I don't look bad. Yeah? If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button and ring that bell button so you get notified every time I post a video. I am a bit slow on posting videos just because I do get busy with my challenge clients and my one-on-one clients. But if you're interested in that, I will link down everything below. But yeah, guys, if you want to see more of these videos, go ahead and comment down below. And if you have any suggestions on what kind of videos I should do next, let me know down below. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!